Hey, it's Matt from Gravity Forms. Today I want to show you one of the coolest features of Gravity SMTP, which is our SMTP service for sending mail from your WordPress website. Emails are important. Emails to your customers are important. Receipts are important. And Gravity SMTP makes this super simple. So you want to connect this up to all your Gravity Forms sites that you have. All right, Gravity SMTP, I already have it installed. By the way, Gravity SMTP is available on all developer, elite, and nonprofit licenses. Make sure you have one of those licenses. You can use Gravity SMTP, log into your Gravity Forms dashboard. You can download it there. Okay, so I already have SendGrid set up. This is my SMTP service of choice in this website. It's already connected. We have other videos that explain how to connect that up. But what I want to show you today is you can actually set a backup service for sending email. So I'm going to click on the add button. And to make this easy, I'm going to connect to PHP Mail, which is the local mail sending service, just as a backup. The other ones would require me to log in and set up all those accounts. This is going to be really easy. So I'm going to click on PHP Mail, and I'm simply just going to hit Save and Enable. This won't work if you tried this at home. It's simply to have it here as another connection. And what I'm going to do after I have my new connection, any of your connections that you add to it, I'll click on the three dots and select Set as a Backup. And you'll notice on this SendGrid icon, it says primary. That's our primary sending service. So I'm going to click Set as a Backup. And then immediately it'll say PHP Mail is set to the backup integration, and the little backup icon shows up next to PHP Mail. And effectively what this means, if you're running a mission critical site with Gravity Forms and the emails going out are customer receipts, user account creations, password resets, and if you are at high volume or you expect high volume during a sales cycle, or you just want to have a backup service in case you run out of credits with SendGrid or you just hit the limitations and you want a backup plan, that's what the backup is all about. You set up a backup service to send through that. So if there's ever an issue, it'll automatically divert all of those very important emails to that secondary backup email connection. It's fantastic stuff. Gravity SMTP, get it with your Gravity Forms license, elite, developer, and nonprofit. Great for every Gravity Forms website you have at your agency, at your freelance business, or in your organization. Check it out, gravityforms.com.